Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another what I eat in a day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Take a look at my other videos. I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching. So of course you already know I start my day off with some coffee. I add a spoonful of stevia and my all-time favorite creamer, this soy milk creamer by Silk. It's so good. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need to go check it out. So a little bit after I have my coffee, I'm going to take my shots for the day. I take an Immunity Wellness shot by Suja, and then I'm going to take a little swig of this Health Aid Kombucha in the pink apple flavor. And then I'm going to take the shot of this L-carnitine by 1UP Nutrition. I do the green apple flavor. And then I'm going to go ahead and have my vitamins for the day. I take a Wild Alaskan salmon oil. I also take my hair, skin, and nails. I got this one off Amazon. And then I'm going to take my women's probiotic. I got this one at Target. And then I'm going to take this appetite suppressant by 1UP Nutrition. And of course, I can't forget my women's multivitamin. It's in this bag because I broke the regular glass. So it's a little bit later and I'm going to make my breakfast. I'm going to start with some russet potatoes, wash, and I'm going to cube them. Once the potatoes are all cubed, we're going to transfer them into a bowl. I'm going to add a little drizzle of olive oil on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some Mrs. Dash seasoning. I'm also going to add this New Orleans Cajun seasoning. Some garlic and onion powder. Then I'm also just going to top it off with some fresh cracked pepper and some pink Himalayan salt. Give it a good stir, and then it's going to be going off to the air fryer. I'm going to put this in the air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes on 350 degrees, just checking it occasionally to make sure it gets nice and golden brown. Next, I'm going to dice up some onions, some green and red bell peppers, and some mushrooms. Next, I'm just going to spray my pan down with some avocado oil, set it to medium heat, and cook the vegetables till they're nice and soft. I went ahead and took half the vegetables and set it aside so I can add it to my cubed potatoes. And I just added 2 eggs, stirring it up nice and good, and adding a little bit of salt and pepper. Now that everything's done cooking, I'm just going to be transferring it to my bowl. And I went ahead and added a couple of these berries from this rainbow berry mix. And here is the finished product. It was so good, so filling, and it kept me full for hours. You guys definitely need to check this one out. I just got home from the gym. I'm about to take my BCAAs. I'm having this strawberry kiwi flavor by One Up Nutrition. Just gonna add some of my alkaline water and mix it all together. For my post-workout snack, I'm just having a banana with 2 tablespoons almond butter. A little bit later, I just heated up some leftovers. I made a whole grain pasta with ground beef, onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, poblano peppers, and jalapeno peppers, and just topped it up with some Parmesan. It was delicious. Then for my second snack of the day, I'm just making a little cheese and cracker platter with this uncured turkey pepperoni, goat cheese, and these crackers from Trader Joe's. You guys definitely need to check this out. I have never had goat cheese before until recently, and I don't think I could ever go back. It's just so good. Then for my final meal of the day, I went to Piata and got a wrap. I got a spicy chicken wrap with romaine lettuce, bell peppers, corn, and avocado. And then I made a little mixed fruit salad on the side. It was so good. Then every day before bed, I make a decaffeinated green tea to help me sleep. That wraps up what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll definitely have more videos on the way. Bye.